Hey guys, how's it going? So, 11 months ago in my Oraimo Freepods Pro review, this is what I said. But I think the way forward for Oraimo, maybe for their next wireless AirPods, will be to have an app. Because using touch controls for everything is not really practical. Like, who is going to remember all the different touch controls? But having an app where you can easily just turn on noise cancellation or transparency mode or game mode at the tap of the button is just way better. And guess what? Oraimo actually listened. Check it out. Oraimo now has an app that does everything I said in that video and lots more. Oraimo released the app alongside the Oraimo Freepods 4. This is the Oraimo Freepods 4. It will cost you 21,900 naira or $30. It has tons of features like an equalizer, active noise cancellation, the touch controls, all of which can be controlled using the app. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing all of the features and all of the capabilities of the Oraimo Freepods 4 to find out if it's worth it, if you should buy it. Let's get started. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Before we unbox the Oraimo Freepods 4, if you're new to our channel or you're not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to our channel. Even Oraimo watches our videos now, so please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified once we post new review videos just like this one. Okay, so the Oraimo Freepods 4 comes in a bigger box compared to other wireless earbuds. The quality of the box, even the unboxing experience, feels luxurious. Inside the box, first we get the Freepods 4 inside the case. Next we get the manual, a set of ear tips in different sizes, and a green Type-C charging cable. All this for 21,900 naira. If you want to order the Freepods 4 or any Oraimo products for that matter, you can use this coupon code to get a 5% discount. You can use it as many times as you want, it will always work. So you can take a screenshot of it now so you can copy it down for later. I'll also put it in the description of this video and in a pinned comment. The Oraimo Freepods 4 has a sleek minimalist design. The case of the Freepods 4 is big, at least when compared to other wireless earbuds. It's still very lightweight though, and it will still fit in your pockets. It is made of plastic and it is a matte finish. The Oraimo branding is up top and center. The case status indicator is at the front, and at the back is the Type-C port for charging. To open the case, you need to slide upwards. The slide feels very smooth. Some people have concerns over the slide breaking or getting damaged, but I think as long as you don't throw it on the floor and you use it properly, it will last. There are 3 magnets. One holds the case closed, one holds it open, and the last one keeps the earbuds inside the case. So even if you turn the case upside down, the earbuds won't fall out. The Freepods 4 themselves are also pretty unique thanks to the white color on the stem. We also see the Oraimo branding there. The ear tips are specially made by Oraimo. Oraimo calls it antibacterial ear tips. It reduces the risk of bacterial and fungal infections. At the side of the earbuds, we see the contact points for charging. Pairing up the earbuds is easy. Just open up the earbuds and it will pop up on your phone as long as your Bluetooth is turned on. It uses Bluetooth version 5.2, so connectivity is swift and the range is good. You can also pair it up to your phone the old-fashioned way by going to your Bluetooth settings. Now, for most people, this earbud will sit comfortably in your ears. However, my ears don't do well with in-ear earbuds. Half-in-ear earbuds like the Oraimo Freepods 3 are just better for my ears. So if you're like me and in-ear earbuds are not so, comfortable, I think you're better off with the Oraimo Freepods 3. My friends did find the Oraimo Freepods 4 very comfortable though. They really liked it. And I wish these earbuds were comfortable for my ears because the sound quality is amazing. The Oraimo Freepods 4 comes with 10mm dynamic drivers. The bass is deep and powerful, the mids are clear, and the highs are crisp. I listened to a variety of music genres and I was impressed with the sound quality across the board. I rate the sound quality an 8 out of 10. In my opinion, these actually sound better than the Oraimo Freepods Pro, and they're actually more affordable. So yeah, you can also customize the sound using the equalizer in the Oraimo Sound app. You can install the app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Click on the equalizer and you can select one of the templates already there. I use heavy bass. I think that sounds the best. You can also create one for yourself if you know your way around an equalizer. Hey guys, so this is the microphone of the Oraimo Freepods 4. They are in my ears right now, just as in we are using them to make a call. So this is basically how it will sound if you're using the Oraimo Freepods 4 to make a call. So what do you think of the audio quality? Do you like it? Is it good enough for you? Let me know what you think of the microphone's audio quality in the comment section below. Now let's talk about the touch controls. You can personalize it to how you want using the app. So here's how I did mine. The right earbud is for music control and the left earbud is for volume control. So tapping once on the right earbud to play or pause your music, also used for answering calls. Double tapping on the right earbud takes you to the next track, and triple tap takes you to the previous track. To activate Google Assistant, just long press for 2 beeps. That will also reject a call if you have an incoming call. For the left earbud, tap once to decrease the volume and tap twice to increase it. As I mentioned towards the start of this video, we get active noise cancellation and transparency mode on the Oraimo Freepods 4. To activate ANC or transparency mode, long press on the left earbud till you hear 2 beeps and you'll be able to switch between the various modes on the earbuds. However, to activate game mode or low latency mode, you have to long press on the left earbud till you hear 4 beeps. Now, if you're like me and you don't like using touch controls for everything, you can do it from the app with just a tap of a button. I really like the Oraimo Sound app. It is very well designed and easy to use. You can even update the firmware of the Freepods 4 right from the app. The Freepods 4 supports Find My Device feature when used with phones running Android 6.2 or above and supports Google Play services. The battery life on the earbuds are great. Both earbuds have a 60 mAh batteries and the case has a 550 mAh battery. 8 hours of music playback on a single charge is what you get using the Freepods 4. The case can charge the earbuds 3 times more, making a total of roughly 32 hours. So, what do you think of the Oraimo Freepods 4? Are you already ordering yours? Don't forget the discount code. Now, for me, the Freepods 4 is almost perfect. The design is unique and cool, sound quality is awesome, active noise cancellation and transparency mode works well, battery life is great, the Oraimo Sound app works seamlessly. I only wish there was a half-in-ear design like the Oraimo Freepods 3. Oraimo, if you are watching, please make a half-in-ear version of the Oraimo Freepods 4. Only me will buy 5, I promise. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shu. Thank you so much for watching and you'd see me in my next video.